qualitative benefits would be better hiring of team. Apart from that, you become engaged with them for encouraging them to move to next levels too, because the teams are so well connected with each other and they feel responsible for them to move up to the ladder. It's also a kind of self-satisfying notion to understand that we are giving them a platform wherein people from not that privileged segment of the society maybe through us, through our platform, are getting this benefit of moving into getting those educational benefits which otherwise they were not able to support to. So those are the qualitative areas, I would say. And quantitatively, like I said, that yes, controlled attrition percentages, increase in ROI basis, increase in productivity, and very good customer satisfaction or employee satisfaction scores.
The quantitative aspects has been, yes, one is lower levels of attrition. That's very, very clearly visible. In terms of qualitativeness, it's about, again, the kind of skill sets that we require, it gets visible. The kind of, it also is something which, one of our focuses is to create better levels of employability within the industry. So that's another benefit that we see coming out of the program. Yes, also the fact that the kind of the productivity that we see these on the on-the-job training is really great. And it definitely does justify the kind of efforts that we have been making into the program.
Quantitative advantage is getting people, the kind of skilled people whom you have trained yourself. Okay, so it's your own crop, your own babies, and you have the opportunity to develop them the way you want. So one is on the skill part, the other is on the behavioral part, because we are trying to drive a culture. So when you have people whom you have trained, who have grown with you, it's much easier to drive behaviors and then build a required culture in the organization. And of course, it also leaves a bigger amount of loyalty, because they have grown here and they have learned and they are attached to this organization. They are pretty more loyal than the people we may have got from outside.
From apprentice to full-time employees, I mean, the cost imperatives have been fairly largely controlled then, right? Because you have walked them through this long-term journey and then you've converted them. You didn't have to fulfill those demands from outside, right? So that's a clear quantitative benefit that I would say has been. It also, from a qualitative perspective, I would say has been continuity of that resource. Therefore, continuing in the organization has been doesn't have any disruptions on the business side, right? Because when the manager and the HR and the leaders are fully invested in the program and the individual, the apprentice, and as they go through a successful path of 15 months and then their potential conversion, obviously their faith in the program and their faith in the work that is being done increases multifold. So I think the implementation and the successful execution of this has been a big qualitative success for us.